Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about chemistry and the topic name is classifying changes around us. So already we just classified some changes like slow and fast, desirable and undesirable, periodic and non-periodic, and reversible, irreversible. So these are the things already we learned. Now we are going to classify some changes like exothermic and endothermic. Can you hear this word thermic or thermal? Yes, thermal means heat energy. So today we will learn about classify changes as exothermic and endothermic. Before that, you have to learn the words exothermic and endothermic. Now I ask you one question. What happens when you light a matchstick? What change will you see? The matchstick will burn and give out light and heat energy. The matchstick will turn into ash and some gases will be released. So, changes in which heat is released are called exothermic changes. In some changes, such as the burning of a candle and the reaction of quicklime with water and dissolving of detergent powder in water, or some common example of exothermic changes. And look at the picture, burning of a magnesium produces light and heat. Changes which involve temperature changes can be classified as exothermic and also endothermic changes, in which heat is evolved or released are called exothermic changes. Exo means to give out. And next we are going to learn endothermic changes. So endo means to take in, okay, or absorbed heat energy. Say for example, the boiling of a liquid, melting of ice, dissolving salt in water, and photosynthesis or changes during which energy is absorbed in the form of heat or light. So these kind of changes are called endothermic changes. Look at this. I just give you some common example of exo and endothermic. Burning, freezing, condensation, these are example of exothermic. It means it releasing or producing heat energy. And endothermic, absorbed heat energy. Baking, cooking and melting, boiling, evaporation, these are that example of endothermic changes. And you know that what is that endothermic reaction? Frying eggs, okay, these are the examples. One more question. Respiration is an example of exothermic change. Why? Yes. In respiration, glucose breaks down in the presence of oxygen and releases energy, carbon dioxide and water. So, most of this energy is used by the body cells and a part of it is released from the cells as heat energy. Therefore, it is an exothermic. So, respiration is called exothermic changes. So, exothermic and endothermic changes may not always involve releasing or taking in of only heat. They may also involve other forms of energy like light and sound. Say for example, burning a magnesium ribbon is an exothermic change which releases both light and heat energy also. I hope you all understood this topic. Thank you.